A RAG system can retrieve the right document and still answer incorrectly. This happens because poor chunking can damage the context needed for retrieval. Chunking splits large documents into smaller pieces, creating manageable units that can be embedded, stored, and retrieved efficiently during RAG. The simplest approach cuts text at fixed token intervals, regardless of meaning. It is fast, predictable, and easy to implement. That efficiency has a cost. Arbitrary boundaries can split tables, sentences, or concepts. This weakens the context available to the language model.
RAG retrieves relevant chunks for a question, then provides that retrieved context to an LLM, which generates the final answer. If a retrieved chunk is incomplete, the model may lack essential context and infer missing information, producing an unsupported answer. Structure-aware chunking follows natural document boundaries, such as headings, sections, tables, and markdown structure, instead of blindly counting tokens during splitting. By keeping headings with their content, structure-aware splitting preserves hierarchical context and helps the model understand what each section means. Structured content like database tables and code blocks should remain intact when possible, while specialized splitters help preserve important document structure. This approach works especially well for documents with meaningful structure, including technical documentation, legal contracts, internal wikis, and API references. Use it when answers depend on retrieving specific sections, together with the surrounding context that gives those sections their meaning. It is not always necessary. For relatively unstructured text like chat logs, transcripts, or reviews, fixed-size chunking remains a reasonable baseline. Many production systems split by structure first, then recursively split only sections that still exceed the configured maximum token limit. Do not assume one strategy always wins. Evaluate context precision and recall to measure relevance, coverage, and unnecessary retrieved information. That's when structure-aware chunking earns its cost. If this clarified your RAG architecture, keep building and subscribe to CodeCraft Academy.